Hey guys, it is Sunday here in West Virginia, and today we're taking a look at one of the latest square body sets from M2. At least it's the latest square body set in my area, and I think it is one of the latest in most areas. It is this World of Outlaws set, and I don't know what series this is anymore. I still call it the Auto Haulers because it's going in correspondence with the release numbers. You can see this is release 77, but there's nothing here that has anything to do with the hauler. There's no trailer hauling anything. There are just two square bodies. One heavy duty 1973 GMC Sierra 1500 that has that arrow wing on it. That's good for when you're towing like an enclosed trailer and such. It kind of helps the airflow and saves you on some gas and stuff like that. But there's no trailer here and no race car, nothing like that. Just another square body. And it has the 1975 GMC Sierra Grande 15. So it's 1500 and a 3500, which is a really cool set. The livery is really cool. We're going to take it out and look at it a little closer. But yeah, I just wanted to point that out, that I'm still calling these auto haulers because it's still in that series. It's going with the releases and such. And the other two in this release are haulers. The other one is, well, we unboxed it a couple weeks ago, or a week ago maybe. It was the 79 Dodge Pick 'em Up. It was the white version. Remember, mine had some paint damage. Since then, I've got a couple more of them. I found it at Walmart with this one, and I even ordered another truck. And anyways, it does not have any more chips on it and stuff, so I got a clean one. But anyways, it had a trailer with a Project 69 Roadrunner on it. And then the other set is a Ford set, and it has a Ford box truck and a Ford F100. I think it's an F100. It could be a 200. There's no trailer there, but it is a box truck, so it hauls stuff. And I guess if you think about it, pickups haul things, so who knows. So anyways, World of Outlaws Unleashed. Really cool livery on the box and on the truck. So we're going to peel the sticker back. I already kind of started that here. And we're going to pull these guys out, and these there's the World of Outlaws logo. Be an outlaw, World of Outlaws, with the skeleton wearing a hat and probably a trench coat with the color flipped up, and the oval or circle around him, I should say, not oval, is a tire. So it's pretty cool. And it has your licensing and choking hazard stuff and so forth. And anyways, we're going to slide this guy out and take a closer look at him. Maybe. So let me try to get this out. Yeah, and it has these little plastic PVC things that hold the box in place, because the display case, I should say display case in place. It is a tad bit smaller than the box, so it does flop up and down. These keep it stable, so it does, when it does bounce, it won't crack. And there's the other one on the other end. And then after they're out, it kind of slides right out of there. And nowadays, they were, and this one too, they've made it where those tabs are not so hard to open on these cases anymore from M2. They're pretty simple. It used to be, you really had to push inward to get those things to pop. Then as you can see, the paint here on the side, it looks a little blotchy. That's not really the case. That's actually a clear tape. It's not adhesive tape in all areas. There are some areas where it is adhesive. It holds this piece on. This is not really mounted. As you can see, it just kind of walks around. So once you get it open, I would advise, even if you're not going to open it and take them off the stand, I would at least open it to get this tape off, because I don't know what kind of effect it will have on the truck in the future. But you can see these are pretty nice looking trucks. The dualies from M2 are great. The single cab one or the quad cab. Single cab ones look really cool nowadays. The gold one, that they released in the Coca-Cola set. And then there's a beautiful, I think it's blue, and it's a Mexico AutoZone release. It's very nice looking. And then they have a new Walmart series coming up soon. Actually, it should be shipping now. It's a 6-piece set. I don't know if it's Detroit Muscle or if it's Authentics, but it has a few trucks and some old street rods. But they have the, I think it is the Super 30 or something like that. It's the single cab Chevy, and it is black and red, and it has a huge diameter, dually wheels, looks really good. And the one that I want is a purple Fleet Side Adventure that's slammed to the ground. And what's cool about it, the hood striping looks like the Duster hood stripes, and the side stripe looks like a Duster stripe. So very cool set that's coming up. I'm hoping to find it soon. But these are your trucks. As you can see, World of Outlaws on top of that wing. That logo, Be an Outlaw, is on the hood. Looks really cool. And opening hood. And the engine is a tad bit small in there. But I know these motor compartments are big, especially if it's a small block in there. Should be a big block, though, being a dually, a big block or a diesel. And does have a hitch for a trailer. And then moving along to the Grande 15. This is nice. I'm not a big fan of the thin white wall tires. On some cases it looks okay, but I like black walls better with these style rally wheels. And it has World of Outlaws on the door, and once again has that logo to Be an Outlaw on the hood. And this truck does not come equipped with a hitch. But it is a very nice looking truck. Black on black with both of them. Yeah, not a bad looking set, actually. That's pretty much it. I was going to take them off the base, but not at the moment. If somebody wants to buy the set or just buy one of them, message me on Instagram. I don't know. I may put these on eBay eventually. We'll see what happens over the weekend. And see if anybody takes them off me on IG or something. But anyways, I'll leave the link to my eBay. And if you try to find me on IG, it's the same name, Ron's Muscle Car Diecast. But yeah, it's the latest dually set. Come Tuesday, we're going to be taking a look at the latest 124 square body. Unfortunately, I missed the chase. Our store, I think, had a chase because when I got there today, there were only 3 of these square body 124s from Square Body Syndicate left. So that tells me the one was a chase, most likely. But anyways, yeah, I didn't go on Friday. I should have, but skipped it and found it on Saturday. But at least I got a regular one. We'll crack that open for you guys on Tuesday, but tomorrow we're going to go with our regularly scheduled program. That is our Mopar Monday. We have some Auto World Challengers to crack open for you. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you again tomorrow.